has gone beyond rooms and homes, and now it's adding more useful services for travelers soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. This expansion will add thousands more independent hotels in major cities around the world, including New York, Paris, London, Madrid, Rome, and Singapore. The company says it's featuring hotels that feel like Airbnb, and it promises to price match them if you find them elsewhere for a lower price. Airbnb will also give you up to 15% in credit if you reserve one of the featured hotels. With this, the platform's making it more enticing to book hotels in its app, rather than with competitors like Booking.com and Agoda. Plus, Airbnb is also introducing in-app grocery delivery. You can get them delivered anytime during your trip, but in select cities. You can even have them sent to your rental before you even get there, so the host can stock your place. If you're an Airbnb guest, deliveries are free, and you'll also get a $10 discount for orders worth $50 or more. At the moment, grocery delivery is available in 25 US cities through a partnership with Instacart. Airbnb didn't say whether it's expanding internationally, but it sure sounds useful if you've ever found yourself unable to use local apps while abroad. Airbnb services now offer airport pickups with welcome pickups, whose drivers will track your flight and meet you when you arrive in 160 cities around the world. Booking through Airbnb as a guest will get you a 20% discount on every ride. Airbnb has teamed up with luggage storage company Bounce as well, and will now let you view the nearest drop-off locations in the app. Finally, Airbnb will add car rentals too this summer and will show you vehicles near your listing. You'll get back 20% of what you spend for your first car rental as credit. Most of the features are coming this summer. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.